Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made these nice quick biscuit donuts, Krispy Kreme donuts, whatever you call them. They're very easy and very simple. Follow along with me, you'll see this how fast I made these. Start out with 1 cup of powdered sugar, confectionate sugar, powder, whatever you're going to call it. Okay, and next you want to start off with half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we want to do a little bit of milk, about 2 teaspoons. I mean a half teaspoon. Make 2 half teaspoons. Okay. Let me get a whisk or spoon. Okay, we're going to start with this right here. This is our secret to our cheap, quick donuts. And this brand is, you want to get plain original if you can, but I decided to go with honey butter. I hope it don't hurt it none, but I thought maybe it might give a little bit of flavor, who knows. But I would definitely go with the plain original if you can. Okay, let's try this. Yes, look at that. Look how beautiful those look. God, they're looking good. Look at that. Okay. We'll start off this donut right here. Look at that. Now, who said you can't make? You have to have yeast to make donuts. This don't look like no yeast to me, but it does look good. I just take a look at that. Look at them. That is beautiful. Made out of biscuits. And I didn't use any yeast. And I could make my own biscuits and do the same thing. Don't have to have canned biscuits either. Anyways, biscuits what I made donuts out of. They look like donuts, but do they taste like donuts? Okay. And I'm gonna give you my 100% honest opinion if they taste like donuts, because I didn't make the dough anyways. But we're going to do a taste test, and I promise you I'll give you my honest opinion. Oh my God. It tastes just like regular donuts. So delicious. So easy to make. These are very delicious. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do ever try to give us a chance, it is pretty good. And it's easy, quick. Y'all have a blessing day.